Hey there, I'm Jason, founder of ServiceProStream, coming to you as always from the beautiful Lehigh foothills of northeastern Pennsylvania near Allentown. And here we are at my beautiful website, ServiceProStream.com, where you can sign up for a free account. No credit card required. Takes 5 minutes to set up, and you get 14 days free. In this short video, I'm going to show you our amazing conversational agentic booking app. And I want to introduce you to Bolt. Now you'll see here in the website copy, customers book an appointment in 2 minutes by chatting with Bolt. ServiceProStream is an appliance repair, scheduling, and dispatch software with everything to run your home service business. And it is built around the conversational booking app. Now, I'm Jason, the founder. As I mentioned, I'm also an appliance repair technician. I still run my own weekend appliance repair service. And I want to talk to you a little bit about the booking app and show you how you can easily and quickly test it out and decide if this is something you'd like to have as a tool in your toolkit for running your business. The booking app is conversational. It is intelligent and it is powerful. When I say conversational, I mean that Bolt guides your customers as they book an appointment with you. Now, Bolt is the name we've given our agentic conversational AI-styled chat app. Now, the addition of Bolt made the booking app ever more friendly, easier to understand, and guides your customers from start to finish in booking their appointment. You have to understand, when a customer at 9:30 at night goes to check on the dishwasher before they go to bed, only to walk into a puddle of water, they are confused. They immediately start searching on Google. Who can help me get out of this mess? Am I going to get electrocuted? Should I turn off the power to my house? Do I need to turn off the water? Their minds aren't thinking clearly. They go to Google, they start searching for dishwasher repair, appliance repair. They come across your business. You have a booking app link, not some nonsense form, not some trash, but a real conversational booking app. And when your customer is in that acute situation of pain, when their appliance has failed them in a way they don't understand and they haven't had a chance to fully grasp what is going on, your booking app being there for them at 9:30 at night, they're going to have a conversation with a friend and get the situation scheduled and get on your calendar. And beyond that, they're going to be in love with you forever. And they're going to come back to you forever because you made it easy for them when things were hard. And you can demo the booking app. And I mean a real version of the booking app. You can test drive it, see the conversational, agentic, online nature of the booking app. And then I'm going to switch over to this tab. And this is literally the live booking app test drive. Take the booking app for a test drive. Welcome to the booking app demo. Click Get Started to begin. Chat with Bolt and book a test appointment. Enter any contact details or address you want for this demo. And it's really that amazing. I'm going to click the Get Started. And in this little mock phone, we are running the actual booking app engine. So I'm just going to fill in some sample values. And Bolt is continuing to chat with us, and we're also going to enter a sample email. Now, if you try to enter too fake of a phone number, it's going to detect that because there are some checks in place. So I'm just going to enter something that might be a phone number. And then Bolt is going to show you everything he has. In the real booking app, you're going to get a check mark right here and a check mark right there, showing that we have verified that this is an email that can receive emails and that it is a mobile or a VoIP phone. If you don't get the check, it means it's a home phone. Keep going. The very next step of booking an appointment with your business is entering the address, and then we're going to just enter some simple values and find something here in Allentown. Of course, for the Booking app demo, you could put any address you want because the system is set up to take any addresses. So we're going to click keep going, and Bolt continues to chat. Thanks, Jimmy. Let's enter what you need help with. You can say things like, my Samsung dryer is not heating. We're going to say my Kenmore dryer is not starting. And then we're going to click find my match. And Bolt goes to work behind the scenes, finds the combination, and now it's offered to take a photo of the data plate and enter the model and serial number. I do want to show you how that all works. So we're going to grab a picture. It shows you what the reading of the data plate. Next, Bolt is going to ask, do you want to take a picture of the whole situation? You can click yes, I do, or skip for now. And then Bolt mentions whether or not the situation is under warranty, which matters a lot in appliance repair, sometimes in HVAC, maybe not so much in plumbing, but you can either follow what Bolt has said or make changes, and you can keep going. Next comes the schedule, and so this is the real-time scheduling engine. So it is finding the first available appointment, and if we want that time, we can take that time. Otherwise, we can pick a time from the calendar. This is where Bolt talks about the minimum service call fee, the payment types, and then invites you to take one final look at everything, and you can confirm the booking. And we have booked a real appointment using Bolt through our intelligent booking app on ServiceProStream. That's going to conclude this video. If you'd like to talk to me, you can email me, jason@serviceprostream.com. This is Jason, and I hope to talk to you soon. This is the end of this video, and we will see you in the next one. Thanks. Bye-bye.